right, so for our first song on our harmonica, we're going to do that good old favorite, Row, Row, Row Your Boat. Now, I don't expect you to play it like how you sing it, okay? I just want you to play when I point to you. And all you're going to do is just breathe out anywhere on your harmonica. It's going to sound like this, which is basically, you're not going to hear row, row, row your boat, but this is what it'll sound like. Just blowing into the harmonica. But if I'm singing, you'll hear row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row your boat right down the stream. Merrily is but a dream. Keep going. See if you can play every time I point at you. I can't do it every time because then I can't be also singing. So, here we go. And row, row, row your boat down the merrily, merrily. It's but a. Do it again. Row your boat down the merrily, merrily is but a. One more time. Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily life is but a.